everybody, so I hope you're well and having a really good day today. Today I'm coming at you with the LUSH Easter range for 2019 and I am so excited to share this all with you. I have bought basically everything apart from two things, so it's pretty much the entire collection. I hope you guys are really excited. So without further ado, I'm going to jump right in and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the first thing I'm going to be sharing with you is a bath bomb, and this is the Bunny Bomb Bomb bath bomb. How cute is that? It's literally a massive rabbit, like I can't even. This guy's eyes kind of messed up a little bit, but we're going to ignore that. Apart from that, how cute does he look? This one is £9.95, so it's not the cheapest by all means, but you can get 2 baths out of it, so it is kind of worth it. This one smells quite light actually, like it's quite a light fragrance. So it's really nice and gentle, so I would say if you don't like your scents overly strong, this is definitely a good one to go for, and it just looks adorable. Like, look at that. I'm really sorry if the cushions have just moved, by the way. I just went to reach something and everything just fell, so I do apologise. Next up, what have we got? The next product is very similar, and this is also £9.95, and that is the Lamb Bomb Bomb Bath Bomb. This one only just balances, so I'm going to be super quick with this one. In terms of the scent, this again hasn't really got a smell. Like, it's basically like cocoa butter. That's what it smells like. So super light and super creamy, but this one is adorable as well. And to be honest with you, instead of Easter eggs, this would be a really good gift. So I would 100% recommend getting some of these instead of chocolate this year. The next product is the Cream Egg Bubble Bars. Now I bought both colours just to share with you guys. This is the yellow dotted one and this is the pink and blue. Both of them smell exactly the same, and this smells very similar to the Ladybird Bubble Bar, which came out last year. It's minty, super fresh, and really cool looking too. These are £4.50, so not overly expensive, and you can definitely get 2 baths out of these. I do however think this one would make your bath water look a lot nicer than this one, because this one will probably make it look a little bit like pee, but I think these are both super cute and definitely really good Easter gifts as well. Next up we have the Cocoa Sugar Scrubs, and these ones are £4.95 and they're cute little rabbits. Look how cute they are. I bought both colours again just to share with you guys that you can get the white one or the brown one. Super cute. Scent wise, they both smell exactly the same and they kind of smell like Play-Doh, I'm not gonna lie. Very earthy and kind of like gardeny, if you know what I mean. Does smell really good though. These are really nice. They're just sugar scrubs, very similar in texture to the green one that they used to have, just the regular sugar scrub. However, these ones smell a little bit different, but yeah, these are adorable. So definitely a really cute Easter gift, I think. The next product is the Beak Street Shower Bomb, and this is supposed to, I guess, look like a chicken's beak or a bird's beak or some form of beak of some kind. This basically you use in the shower. I don't really rate these, to be honest. I think they're okay. I just don't really like them, if I'm being realistic. But scent-wise, this smells familiar. I can't for the life of me tell you what it smells like, but it has got a familiar fragrance to it. Quite floral, but really subtle again. All these scents so far have been quite subtle. There's nothing that's overpowered me yet, so good if you like subtle smells, but yeah. Really cute, love that. I feel like everything I've said so far has been really cute, but this whole range is just adorable, so I do apologise. Next up is a returned product from last year, and that is the Free Ranger Bath Bomb. This one is £7.50, so a little bit cheaper than the others. However, obviously you do still get the 2 baths out of it, or you can put this into 1 bath and have an absolutely mega bath, so it is up to you. Scent wise, this one smells like the Comforter, so it's so sweet, really Ribena-y, super nice. Basically smells like blackcurrant. It's so yummy, so I would really recommend this if you like your sweet baths, but this just looks adorable. And you could definitely put a little gift inside too if you wanted to, but I just think this is really nice. So yeah, really love this one and definitely repurchased this from last year. The next product is a shower oil, and this is the Carrot Shower Oil. Now I'm not gonna lie, when I bought this I thought it was soap, but it's not. It's basically an in-shower oil for your skin. I'm really excited to use this. I'll probably use this in the bath or the shower. Scent-wise, this smells very good though. It's almost, wait a moment. This smells like, bear with me on this one. Do you remember ages ago they used to do these sweets, and I've mentioned them before and someone did comment what they're called and I can't remember what they're called now, so I do apologise. They're little sweets that were white and cream, like cream and strawberry and cream and like apricot or peach. And they were round and they had like a little dip. They look like a Werther's Original, if you know what I mean. If you live in the UK, you'll know what I mean. But that's what this smells like a creamy orange. So good, that just went in my mouth, I'm not gonna lie. But that smells insane. I can't wait to use that. That smells lovely. Love that one. The next product is a lip scrub, and this is the Carrot Cake Lip Scrub. I'm so excited to give this a smell because I've not even smelt it yet, so. Oh my god. That smells incredible. That actually smells obviously like a carrot cake, but I didn't think it was going to actually smell like cake. I thought it was going to smell like the carrot range, you know? Oh my gosh, that smells like cinnamon, carrot, gingerbread, all the yummy things in a carrot cake. Oh my goodness, I freaking love that. I think that's my favourite product so far, hands down. I love that. That one costs, let me just double check, £6.50. I don't know if these were always £6.50. I thought that they used to be £5.50. I don't know. But yeah, honestly, if you want to get one product, go for this one because holy moly, that's amazing. The next bath bomb is probably the most over-the-top bath bomb I've ever bought in my entire life, and that is the Rose Bombshell Egg Bath Bomb. This is full of sea salt and rose petals. I'm not going to open it because it will go everywhere, but I do really, really like it and I'm excited to use it. It is falling in my hands right now, so I'm going to be quick with this one. This costs £12.95, which is absolutely insane for a bath bomb. I would never spend that on a bath bomb ever, but this just smelled incredible and I couldn't say no, so had to get one of these, and honestly, just smells phenomenal. So if you like the scent of rose and you're a big Rose Bombshell kind of fan, get your hands on one of these because it's such a treat, honestly. And last but definitely not least are 3 bath bombs which are very similar yet a little bit different. There's something inside each one. Now I'm not going to open all of them because some of them are gifts, however one did arrive and it was already open from the packaging, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. So the 3 bath bombs that I've got I will show you now. The first one is the Chick Fun Egg, which costs £8.50 and looks like this. Now it's wrapped with some string and it is cut in half because there is something inside which I'll show you in a second. Scent wise, that smells like the Ladybird Bubble Bar. That's amazing. I love that so much. So yeah, the Ladybird Bubble Bar, Ladybird Bubble Bar. This is so nice. Love that one. The next bath bomb is basically the same thing, just a different colour and a different fragrance. This is the Stegosaurus Fun Egg Bath Bomb, and again is £8.50. This one smells, wait a minute. That smells like Space Girl Bath Bomb, Jesus. Oh, who's ringing me now? Hello?
You alright?
Yeah, you okay?
Yeah, we did.
Just filming a video.
Oh, sorry, did I interrupt?
Yeah, that's okay. Say hi.
Hello.
I can't remember what I was saying now. Space Girl Bath Bomb. This one. Friggin' amazing. I love Space Girl so much. It was the first bath bomb I ever got. My friend Emma bought it for me, so Emma, if you're watching, thanks for getting me into Lush, but yeah, that is incredible. I love that. And last but definitely not least is the Brontosaurus Fun Egg, again, which is £8.50. Now you're probably wondering why these are called fun eggs. Well, if you open them up, inside you have a tiny dinosaur which is made from fun. Like, I can't get over it, it's adorable. So this is my little Brontosaurus, look how cute. This one smells, oh, a little bit different. Very similar to the Space Girl, but it's almost a little bit sweeter. That's so nice. But yeah, he just lives inside this little egg, and then you can put him in the bath and then he can melt into bubbles, or you can play with him in the bath. So super cute idea. I just really, really like that idea. I think they're so cute, so unique, and really great for gifts. So definitely recommend those. If you don't want to buy Easter eggs this year, then it'd be a really good idea. Not gonna lie, absolutely in love with those. So that is everything for the Easter range of 2019. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already, and I would absolutely love some video requests down below because I am running out of ideas, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.